as a trainer. She's absolutely detailed and very attentive to detail. What I've learned so far is that it's all about the details. It's all about working in a group or individually with a practitioner who really has an in-depth knowledge of the technique and who can walk me, you, anyone through the process, because there are always nuances, there are always details that you can never learn how to resolve from a YouTube video or from a book. It's all very individual. And I think what happened for me was that I didn't hear that we do shallow breathing just when we practice, just during the practice. So I went cold turkey into shallow breathing whenever I could remember it. And I could remember it for quite a lot of time during the day, most of the time. I just remember constantly feeling air hunger and how amazing it felt. And so I did it. And I think because I really dived deep into practice right away, I had results quite quickly. Looking at my charts, I think my MP3 reached 60s pretty quickly within 2 or 3 weeks of practice. It was a struggle, but I could still do it. And I felt amazing after each practice. And that's how I knew I wanted to do it again and again. Now I've refined my practice, and for me, it's important to plan ahead so that I have 5 or 6 slots of about 15 to 20 minutes during the day and quite regularly. It's all about practice and fine-tuning it to make regular intervals, to not go without breath holds for more than 3 or 4 hours, and to really remember during the night to breathe shallowly. And that is quite a big change for the body. It manifests in cleansing reactions. And I think what's really, really important is to have the support of the team during this challenging period for the body. It's having a difficult time. It's releasing toxins. It's rebuilding new neural pathways. I'm not a doctor, so I cannot explain in medical terms what's happening in the body, but I can share my own experience and how amazing it feels to actually feel. It feels in the brain, it feels in the body, it feels good. It's just, I think it's a very general way to describe it, but feeling good is something that for me has been the biggest change that I've had over the last 30 years. It's all about practice and fine-tuning it.